Welcome to all in my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to draw a geometry like this using AutoCAD 2020-21. This blade and especially wings of blade having a different geometry. This is not a simple geometry. For this geometry, we can draw a different curves for making these blade wings. So let us start. Before drawing this geometry, we should know how to set a unit limits in AutoCAD. For this, you can see my previous video. I will share the link in a description box for this video. So let us start to draw this geometry. For this geometry, first we will draw a circle of radius 25. Draw a circle of radius 25 centimeter and draw the second circle at the same center of radius 45 centimeter and then draw a line from a center of a circle to dimension 150. Now we will draw another circle using circles and at a intersecting of bigger circle and straight line of radius 30 centimeter and draw the another circle at the same point and diameter circle radius is 55 centimeter. Now we are trying to trim as per our blade geometry like this. For trimming option we go in a modify and take a trim command and trim the remaining part. Like this. Okay, now we are trying to make a pattern like this. For this we are using a array command. First select the object, just clicking at the curve and go in a array and take a polar array and then specify the center of the circle and it will automatically make a pattern, and this time number of pattern is 6, so we are using only 2 in place of 6, only 2. Then press enter. We will see 2 array will generated, but angle between 2 array is 180, but change as per our requirement, that is 90 degree. Just press the 90 and enter. Now we are taking another circle at the same center of the circle and draw a circle of radius 70 and in our given figure we will see we are trimming the geometry as per according to this figure, this geometry. So we will select the trim and trim the extra part Okay, but we will see this, there is a sharp corner, but in our given geometry there is a fillet. So in a given figure we will select a fillet command, take a fillet and specify the radius, and radius taken as 6 centimeter. I press the enter and select the two obs. First and second we will draw a fillet and then press this. Now we are trying to make a this blade of four wings as given in our figure. So for taking this we are again using a polar array. For polar array, first select the object. This is not a single object, this is the combination of different curves, so we will individually selecting all the curve including fillet, and then go in a polar array and select the polar array. Then it will show the specify the center, and it will automatically fill 6 blade, but we need only 4 blade as per our given figure. So enter 4 and enter. We will see we have draw a 4 blade and close the array. But as per our given figure, we will see the another circle at the center. So we will draw another circle at the center, go in a circle and draw a circle at the center of the radius 10 and enter. Now and final step to draw a hatch like this. For this we will go in a draw and select the hatch and select the object one by one, and we can also change hatch color as per our requirement. Let's suppose that if we draw this color and then finally close. We have drawn a geometry as per our given dimension, given figure. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe.